Now we've seen real-time protection in action, let's see how we can scan for any viruses or pups that might have slipped past that and into our system. On the right of the screen we have the option to do a quick scan, which checks the common places where viruses might hide, a full scan of every file on the hard drive, or a custom scan which we can configure. Full scans take quite a long time and are usually left to run when the computer isn't being used for work. Quick scans are a good everyday option, but they still take a while. Let's do a scan by selecting Custom Scan and pressing Scan Now. I can select the drives and directories that I want scanned, so I'll expand the C drive, and if we move down to Temp we can see that that's already been selected. I'll press OK and the scan will start. Now that's finished, I'll click on the History tab to look at Defender's logs. I can view just the files that have been quarantined, just the files that have been allowed into the system, or all events. There's one entry shown here. When I tried to save the notepad contents onto disk, Defender Real-Time Protection detected that it was a severe virus called DOS ICAR test file, removed it, and created this log entry. Nothing additional was detected during the custom scan we ran, which is good. The Remove All button will clear all entries from history immediately, although we don't need to do this manually as we can set up Defender to automatically remove history entries. We'll look at that setting shortly. If we select this entry, another button called Allow Item appears. It might seem strange to allow malware into our system, but sometimes it's necessary. For instance, we might want to load virus code into our computer so that we can analyze it. But when we do, Windows Defender will remove it, or put it into quarantine, as it has done for this file. If we're really sure a detected threat isn't an infection, we can allow it. The Allow Item button will move a file out of quarantine and back onto the hard drive. Of course, this action should be taken with extreme care.